Hi, my name is Damini and I am from India. I have completed my BSc and MSc in mathematics along with 2 years of formal teacher training. I am CTET qualified. CTET is Central Teacher Eligibility Test which confirms my eligibility for school level teaching. I also have 2 years of experience as an online mathematics Q&A expert on Shack. We help the students solve doubts and understand concepts step by step. I teach basic mathematics as well as higher mathematics, including linear algebra, real analysis, matrices, complex analysis, complex number, ring theory, and others, explaining concepts in a bilingual way, Hindi-English mix. I aim to teach maths become clear and fun, almost like a game, so students not only understand but also enjoy learning. My teaching is fully concept based using visualization techniques and real life examples. So students forget their fear of maths, build confidence and develop strong logical thinking. I am truly thankful for every student I have been able to help for giving me the opportunity to remove their fear of maths. My goal is to make maths understandable, fun and interesting for every student. So students, please book a trial lesson and let's start learning together. Thank you.